Hey everyone, I'm here today with some urgent news coming out of Florida. The Sunshine State is facing what can only be described as catastrophic flooding. Over the past few days, cities like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Naples have been overwhelmed by an astonishing amount of rain, reaching up to 2 feet in some areas. Now imagine this. Roads have turned into rivers. Yes, rivers. Cars are nearly submerged and residents are facing severe disruptions. Airports in South Florida are also in chaos, with hundreds of flights canceled or delayed. It's a scene straight out of a disaster movie. Local authorities and meteorologists are urging everyone to stay indoors to avoid the dangerous conditions outside. Emergency services are stretched thin, trying to manage and mitigate the flooding's impact. But let me tell you, the community spirit is high. Residents are rallying together, showing incredible support for those affected. But here's a glimmer of hope. Weather experts predict that this conveyor belt of moisture should retreat westward by the weekend. This means the heavy rains will likely subside, replaced by the more typical scattered showers and storms of a Florida summer. So what can we take away from this? Firstly, the importance of being prepared for extreme weather events. And secondly, the resilience of communities when faced with adversity. Stay safe out there. And remember, if you're in the affected areas, heed the advice of local authorities. Keep tuned for more updates and take care of each other. Until next time.